Guys, have a look. This slingshot that I made. Look at this. Yes. Look at that. So, this is the bullet. Right? Marble. So, 7 shot. I make it 7 shot. So, look at that. You can put the bullet here. 1. And then you turn. 2. Turn again. 3. Turn. 4. 5. 6. And 7. So this is the lock. Okay, you do like that and see. So if you want your bullet, take out 1, put in here, and you need to take a shot. Okay, like that. So you're gonna put this one again and lock. See, good.